We are given this question to solve. This is an equation in indices. So what you do first, you write solution. So whenever you're given something like this, you write given. It's very important in mathematics that you write given. Then you repeat what was given, which is 225 raised power 2 plus 850. Then multiply by 256 all raised power minus 1 over what? 4. This is what is given. So what you do now is bring each of these out, then solve them. After solving them, the next thing you do, you now do substitution. So first, what I mean is this: bring out 225 all raised power 2 half. So if you look at this now, you know that there's a lot of indices you need to apply. You are going to apply fractional index law of indices. So if you apply fractional index law of these indices, you now take whatever is here is the root you're going to take. So here you're taking square root of square root, because here we're having 2. Had it been we're having 3 here, it would have been cube root. But because we're having 2, this alone is square root. So we say square root of the base. This is the base, which is 225. Then everything raised to power of what? 1, which is what is there. If here you are having 3, it should be raised to power 3. But in this case, we're having 1, so it should be raised to power 1. So what do? We now get square root of 225. I think it should be 15. 15 times 15. Okay. This times this is 5. This times this plus 2. Okay. That is 15. So square root of this is 15. 15. That is now 15 raised power what? 1, which is the same as what? 15. That is what we got from here. Then we bring out this 2, which is 85 all raised power 0. So if you look at this, you know that this you are going to apply. Remember, what we applied here is fractional index law of indices. We applied fractional index law. Fractional index law. Fractional index law. That's what we applied. Do you understand? So here, here it should be 85 raised power 0 is what? 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So whether it's 100 raised power 0, 1000 raised power 0 is 1. I explained it in my other videos. So that is we call it zeroth law. Zeroth law of indices. That's what we call it. Zeroth law of indices. So this is that. So you bring out these 2. If you bring out this, we're having 256 raised by 1 over 4. If you look at this now, you know that this is a fractional index law. Combination of fractional index law and negative fractional index law as well. So what you do now is bring out this. This is, we have square root. This is square root. So here it should be 1 all over. 1 all over. Do you understand? Whenever you see negative like this, negative there stands as 1 all over. Then you consider what is here. Do you understand? 1 all over. Then you consider what is here. So what you do now is 256 all raised to power of what? 1, which is what is here. Please don't be confused. I told you there are 2 laws there. So what you do now is, if you do that now, you're going to have 1 all over. Then the 4th root here is the 4th root. This stands for root. So this is the 4th root. Taking the 4th root of 256, we're going to have 256, which is what? 4. That means it's 1 over 4. So when you do this now, the next thing you're going to do is you bring them together. Remember, we have 225 raised per half, which we got as 15. We write here 15. Do you understand? So the next thing you do is, okay, let me write the law here so that you won't be confused. We have negative negative, and also fractional in-depth law. These are the this is the law that is applied. So those are the two laws applied there. So if you have that, you have 15 here. 15, then this 85 is 1, that is plus 1. Okay, then bracket multiply by this we got as what? 1 over what? 4. So if you do this here, we're going to have 15 plus 1 is 16 multiplied by 1 over what? 4, which is what? 16 times this is 16 all over what? 4, which is the same as what? 4 as your last answer. That's the answer. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Oh God.